Hi guys, myself Suresh Sharma. Guys, we discuss here algebraic expression. This is the topic number 5 of class 7th mathematics. So here we discuss exercise one by one. So let me first discuss about exercise 5.1. So this is the first question of 5.1. Write each in product form. So this is the first question. So in product form, you know students how to write product form. So let me see. And here you see this is the A part 6x square y cube. It means to say B can write in products. So here B factors 6, that is B can write 2 multiply 3, and here x की power 2, it means to say B can write this x cross x, and same this y की power 3, it means to say we can write that y multiplied by. So this is the way of writing product form. So 6x square y cube, we can write that 2 multiplied 3 multiplied x multiplied by. So sometime you can put dot mark for multiplication mark. So here we can write also 2 dot 3 dot x dot y. So this is also B can write, and here this is the B part. So B part you can take here, this is P power 4. B can write this P dot P dot P dot P. So this is product form, and same this way C part you can write this for A cube B cube, it means to say 2 dot A dot A dot B. So this is the product form of 4 A cube B cube. Let we see D part n power n, it means to say this is D parts m power n. So here we write this m dash, this is n time. So we can write this same this way, and this is E part you see. So here E part z to power 1, it means to say you know any variables power 1 have, it means to say this is equal to z. So we can write this z. So student, this is the question of exercise 5.1, and now we talk about question number 2 of exercise 5.1. This is write each in exponential form. So you see students know about power. So this is also we can this exponential form. So you see student, this is the A part, B part and C part or D part given. So let me see. This is in the form of product form. So B can take variable is x, and this variable is how many times years are coming. So here you see this is come 10 times. So the times you can put on the variable. So this is the form of exponential. And B parts you already see 3 and variable P, and how many times the variable P is coming here. This is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So we can put the exponential 3, and this is Q. So we can write this Q. So this is also in the form of exponential form, and same this way you can write this 5A square B cube and C. And D part you see also 12 x square by 4. So we can write A, B, C, D parts in exponential form. So this is the way of giving and writes the exponential form, and this is the way of writing exponential form into product form. So this is question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 5.1. Now we take and discuss about exercise number 5.2. So here students, exercise 5.2 we discuss. Let me see. So in exercise 5.2 you see students algebraic expression of each of the following. This is the question number 1. So the number z multiplied by itself. So here you see the question z is multiplied by itself. So this is question number 1. Z multiplied by itself. It means to say that is z, and this is multiplied by itself. So multiplied by and put z. So here you see this is z square. So this is the expression of algebraic. And now same all 5 parts you can do this way. Let me see another part. So another part you see this is number x and y both square and added. So this is E part. So E part you see number of x and y, x and y. So first you have to make square of both the number. So made square, that is x square, and this is y square. And after that, according to the question, you have to add. So this x square plus y square you can add. So this is the algebraic expression of E part. So same this way you can do, students. And now in question number 2, write the coefficient of. Question number 2. This is question number 1. Write coefficient. So here you see, students, coefficient. So this is A in 2AB. This is first part, A in 2AB. So here we have to write A in 2AB, yani coefficient of A. So here you say this is the A, and after that the remaining parts you can say this is coefficient. So remaining part this is 2 and B. So coefficient of A is 2B. Let's same this way. F part here. So in F part x cube equal to x cube plus 1. So here we have to write the coefficient of x cube. So here x cube coefficient, that is 1. So we can write that is 1. So the products, which number is product, so that is called coefficient. You can do it, sir, all part. And this is question number 3. Identify the following expression as a monomial, binomial and trinomial. So student, let me see. So we talk. This is the question number 3. So question number 3, you see, students, in monomial, you know this is consist only one part, one variable. That means this is minus 10. So here you see only one part, one, whether it is variable or coefficient. Only one part you have to given. So this is called monomial. And we have to take 3x. This is also monomial. And after that you have to take the two term. This is called binomial. So let me see two term. This is by plus 2z. It means to say you have to given by and 2z. So this is two term is given here. So if two term is given here, so this is in the form of binomial. And same this way you can see 10 plus 3 by. So this is also binomial. And let me see trinomial. So let x square plus b square plus 9c. X square plus b square plus 9c. It means to say that the term are given 3. That is a square, b square and c, 9c. It means to say here the term 1 term, 2 term and 3 term. The term is given 3, that is called trinomial. So we call that trinomial. Same this way, if the number is more than 3, so that is called polynomial या multimonomial. So this is the question number 3 of exercise 5.2. And now we see and discuss about question number 4. Identify the like term from each of the following expression. So students, we have discussed here about the like term. The power of variable remains same. The power of variable remains same. That is called like term. So you see here, let me take question number 4.